Hi, this is Pratik, and today we are going to learn how to solve the last step of a 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. See, in the last steps, in the last video, we have learned about how to bring the right colored corners at their respective places. Before that, we learned how to make a yellow cross, and now on the third layer, all the corner pieces are at the right places. So right places means this piece should have a blue, orange and yellow, so it has those colors. Similarly, this piece has those colors. This piece also has those colors. But these three pieces are not solved. This piece is solved. So now we are going to solve all these pieces, and then the complete cube will be solved. Okay, so let's start. So choose any of the unsolved pieces, anyone. So I have these three. In your case, it can be 2 unsolved pieces and 2 solved. It can be 1 unsolved pieces and 3 solved pieces. So right now I have 3 unsolved pieces and 1 solved corner piece. So I'm choosing anyone. I'm choosing this one now. So choose any piece and place it towards your right side. So if I'm choosing this one, I can place this towards my right side. Right now I'm choosing this one. So this is I'm placing it towards my right side. This is right, this is left. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I will use a move called R prime, D prime, R and D. After this move, you need to check if these two pieces, this edge piece and this corner piece, has the same color or not. See, these two pieces on the top side should have a yellow, on the front side should have a red. So if these two pieces are not having the same colors, then once again do R prime, D prime, R and D. So in this case, these two colors and those two colors are matching. So this means this corner piece got solved. You might also have a look on the cube that all the other parts of the cube looks mixed or unsolved. So you don't need to take care of all those pieces right now. Those will get solved automatically by using this step. So once this corner got solved, now we will bring the other unsolved corner towards the right side or the right corner. So I will bring the next corner. This piece is not solved, so I will bring this one towards the right like this, and now I'll do R prime, D prime, R and D. So this time these two pieces, this edge piece and this corner piece, are not having the same color, so I'll again do R prime, D prime, R, D. So after doing this step 2 times, we have got these two colors matching. So that means this corner also got solved. But again, the other parts of cube looks unsolved. Don't worry about it. Keep that like that. Now we will solve the next unsolved corners. So right now we are only focusing on the third layer and on this corner piece. So now I will pick the next unsolved corner piece and I will bring it towards the right side like this. Now I'll again use the move R prime, D prime, R, D. These two pieces are not having the same color. I'll again use R prime, D prime, R, D. So these two corner pieces also got, this one also got solved. Now we can see the complete cube got solved. So using this R prime, D prime, RD steps, it might be possible that your corner piece is solved in one move. It might be possible that it took 3 times to solve the corner piece. But the move that we need is only R prime, D prime, R and D. And this is how we completely solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. I hope this video helped you. Thank you. Keep practicing.